Hey everyone! Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your trusted guide to smart Amazon finds that actually make life easier. If you love discovering practical, time-saving products, clever home solutions, or just those everyday must-haves that make life run smoother, you're in the perfect place. Today, I'm genuinely excited to share something that makes a huge difference in the kitchen, whether you're meal prepping, packing lunches, or just trying to keep leftovers neat and fresh. We're counting down the top 5 best food storage containers of 2025, the ones that are dominating Amazon right now, because they're not just popular, they actually work. I've looked at the reviews, compared the features, and thought about how these hold up in real day-to-day use, so you don't have to. So don't skip ahead. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which containers are truly worth adding to your kitchen. As always, we've linked the latest and best Amazon deals for every model featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Number 5. VTopMart 8-pack glass food storage containers. Starting off at number 5 is the VTopMart 8-pack glass food storage containers, and honestly, they surprised me. You get a mix of rectangular and square containers that work for almost everything, meal prepping for the week, storing leftovers, or packing sauces to go. They're made from high-quality borosilicate glass, which handles extreme temperatures, from freezer to oven without cracking. I've tried freezing soup, then reheating it directly in the oven, and it held up perfectly. The 4-hinge snap lids with silicone seals are truly leak-proof. I've tossed them into my bag, and no spills so far. They're also stackable and dishwasher safe, so cleaning and storing them is hassle-free. They're a fantastic pick if you want something durable that won't absorb smells or stains, especially for curries, tomato sauce, or spicy food. Number 4. Rubbermaid 16-piece BPA-free plastic set. At number 4, we've got the Rubbermaid 16-piece plastic set, and this set is a real everyday hero. The thing I love most is the easy find lid system. The lids snap to the container bases and to each other, so no more messy cabinet full of mismatched lids. It saves a lot of time when you're in a rush. They also have built-in vents, so you can microwave food without removing the lid. It means fewer splatters and less cleanup. The plastic is BPA-free, safe for microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. I've used them for everything from leftover pasta to dry snacks, and they've stayed clear and stain-resistant. They're lightweight, practical, and perfect if you need something quick and budget-friendly. Number 3. Pyrex Simply Store 9-pack glass set. Taking the number 3 spot is the Pyrex Simply Store 9-pack glass set. Classic, reliable, and honestly, still one of my favorites. This set includes multiple sizes with color-coded lids, so it's easy to remember what's inside each container. The tempered glass is stain and odor resistant, perfect if you store spicy curries, chili, or pasta sauce. Both the containers and BPA-free lids are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, so you can reheat leftovers directly. And Pyrex has been around for generations, so you know you're getting something built to last. It's great for anyone who wants a glass set that looks nice, stacks well, and can go from fridge to oven without a problem. Number 2. JS Cares 40-piece plastic food storage container set. At number 2, we have the JS Cares 40-piece plastic set, and if your kitchen feels chaotic, this set can really help. It includes 20 containers in different sizes, from tiny 1-ounce sauce cups to big 50-ounce containers. They're made of BPA-free food-grade plastic, and the 4-point locking lids create a tight, leak-proof seal. I've used them for meal prepping, leftovers, even as lunch boxes, and I love how lightweight and nestable they are. They're also microwave safe without the lid, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe, so they're easy to clean. Perfect for families or anyone who loves prepping meals in advance. Number 1. Joy Jolt freezer-safe glass food storage containers. And finally, my top pick, number 1 on this list, the Joy Jolt freezer-safe glass food storage containers. These look sleek and premium, but it's not just about looks. They're made of borosilicate glass, resistant to thermal shock, so you can go from freezer to oven without worry. The ultra-tight sealing lids keep food fresh for days, and they're truly leak-proof, no spills even with soup. They're also microwave, freezer, oven, and dishwasher safe, so you can prep, cook, store, and clean without switching containers. They're stackable, safe space, and the glass doesn't hold on to smells or stains. It's the perfect mix of durability, design, and everyday practicality. That's why they're my #1 pick for 2025. And there you have it, my personal list of the top 5 best food storage containers of 2025, tested, compared, and ranked. If you've got one of these already, or you're planning to grab one, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which fits your kitchen best. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven for more honest Amazon reviews and smart finds, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.